Philippines.
Will receive 100 Mbps internet by broad cable for 3 years.
Kasama po natin si...
Latifa Haraagas from San Nicolas Uno.
Kung may babalikan ka dun sa, dun sa event, anong babalikan mo?
Babalikan ko pa rin talaga yung sa bootcamp or yung sa mismong event. Babalikan ko yung swimwear.
Kyla Marie Dizon, your Miss Balan Melacon 2024. Well, actually, yung pinaka-important and memorable na part ng pageant sa akin is yung hindi nakikita ng tao sa stage, which is during backstage, where I get to experience the fun with my sisters, and I think yun yung pinaka-memorable kasi I got to cherish those moments with them.
Kung i-review nyo po yung performance nyo po, what part of the event na gusto nyong balikan?
Yung sa question and answer portion. Kasi, di ba, when you get to answer the question on stage, it's different kapag bumaba ka na dun pumapasok yung, I could have answered it better, ganon.
Kasama po natin si...
Malagong Rochelle Ann Alayon Ocampo from Barangay Santa Cruz.
If you could review po yung buong performance nyo po dun sa pageant, ano po yung pinaka-proud nyo po dun?
I think yung swimsuit and yung long gown, I was practicing for that since June. I'm so happy na na-execute ko po siya ng maayos.